Hello, today we're going to continue fixing up the repository that we started fixing last time, and it's the python-crackmes repository. So we ensured that the following files work. Let me just demonstrate. Python 3.8, I think it was. 1.py. No, 3.6, whatever. Python 3. Enter correct key, blah, blah, blah. Great, works. With working, I mean the file executes. Python 3 second file, enter correct key. Great. And let's test with the third file. This one works as well. Let's check the experimental one. Whatever that is. There's no output from that. GitHub.com. python-crackmes. There's been some documentation in the README file which explains the directories, I guess. Let's have a look at that one. So even though this is my repository here, I forked it the last time from somebody else, and that's why I haven't really read the README. Okay, the experimental one. These are new crackmes where I'm not sure if they are good, how they are. You can still try to solve them and give me some feedback on it. Then let's have a look at the experimental one. Less 1.py. Even if it won't execute this much, you still have to crack it in order to get the key. Okay, great. That's a good one, I guess. It's an interesting one. We will have a look at this one soon. And then the FOWE is... Some people asked me if they could edit the code. You are allowed to edit the code in FOWE in order to deobfuscate, but you are not allowed to execute the program itself. Basically, you can do everything you want with the program except executing. FOWE, you have to find out what the program does without executing the program itself. Find out without executing. Ah, okay. Then I will rename that to find out. Or is that already a common term? I would like to rename it crackme FOWE. No. Find out without executing. Okay. Then I would say we call the one easy. And the next one, we call that one beginner. And the third one, we call it normal. And 4 and 5 do not yet exist. And then beginner, easy, experimental, find out without executing normal. I would say we, in the beginner directory, we call this crackme beginner crackme.py. Then in the easy directory we call that file easycrackme.py. In the normal one we call that file normal crackme.py. And same applies here. No execution crackme.py. And experimental like this. That already looks much better, I would say. So let's let's push the changes. Git status, git add. Okay, we have, oh no, we don't want to include the formatted ones, so git reset, then I will reset the easy 1.py formatted, git status, the beginner crackme. Why is it a new file? What if I add git add to? Git commits. Okay, there's still the two directories, so that's the one I was worried about now. So let's do a, what do we do? Does the directory still exist? Yes. Why does it still exist? I mean, here we move 2 to beginner. And inside beginner, we moved 1.py to beginner, crackme. I somehow messed this up completely, I think. No, that looks fine. Remove directory 2. Okay, that looks good for now. Contributors. I will add myself to this list. And I will add the original guy from whom I forked the repository. The list should probably be a table. That would at least look better in my opinion. So let's make it a table. Tables in Markdown work like this. You use these straight lines and do the following. I know it should not be in a table. We can remove these numbers here. Oh, wait. No, let's do it like this. So the heading is difficulty and then explanation. One. Oh, easy. No explanation. Then beginner. Normal. Hard. expert not yet implemented not yet implemented. And then there's find out without executing. And this is the message. And we'll paste it here. Oh. Okay, and then we can create another line of the table, another, what is it called? Another, not a column, well, another set of table entries. Experimental, a row, I mean a row, of course. Okay. Explanation. Comment. Git status. Git diff. Okay. Git add readme. Git commit. Update readme. Git push. So maybe it is our job to create these harder crackmes soon. That would be a cool thing to do, actually. The contributors entry should be a list. Okay. Yeah, that looks better now. So, how about should we add an image, maybe a screenshot? That would be nice. And a screenshot would look like this, where we execute one script and then just show people what it looks like. The python-crackmes. Then go to the normal one and Python 3 normal crackme. Python 3 normal crackme. Now I don't know where that screenshot saved. So let's take a new one. And likely it's saved in the Java brute forcer directory for whatever reason. Yeah, there it is. Move thumbnail crack me to projects, python-crackmes. And then we can include it in the README. And that's how you include images via Markdown. You do the following. File is the file is, the alternative text of the file is called screenshot of the normal difficulty crack me, and then I will refer to that file like this. I can just enter the file name because it's in the same directory as the README file. So let's see what happens when we add this to GitHub and do a push. Projects, python-crackmes, git add thumbnail crackme, git add readme, git commit, include screenshot, git push. Yeah. I guess we can call it a day. That was the polishing for today. Next time we will either try to crack the next crack me, or we will write our own, but probably we'll crack them. So see you then and have a good day. Bye. And leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.